the way back too, I'll get one for you.
Charlie sitting up there, just enjoying the ambience.
Okay. Oh, go 8 then. Okay. Put 2 more on. 2 more.
100 to 800 rupees. 100 grams, 800 rupees.
Yep.
It was late in 23 when I mentioned to a friend, shipmate, Patagonia was awesome, let's do that trip again. Patagonia, he said. Yeah, right, bud, that might fly. I'll make some calls and move some dates, it's definitely worth a try. The plans went south just like the value of their money. An alternative was needed and it was in a fucking hurry. Hey mate, Sri Lanka is an option. There's a couple of bikes to spare. Lock it in, bud, that sounds good, I said without a care. You see, each trip that I have has been a special spot in my heart. I guess you could say I've been with Nevermind Adventures from the very start. The first trip to Rajasthan, the Indian land of kings, was unforgettable to me and taught me many things. Humility and compassion are words that spring to mind. There are 1,000 other feelings, but adjectives are hard to find. My adventures are mine, and yours are yours to find, as long as you tread softly and keep the experience in your mind. My trips reinforced to me that humility and respect is the way to live your life when you are controlled with institutional neglect. Nevermind Adventures was started on a dream. It morphed into so much more, it's hard to find a theme. For me, it's friendship, adventures, and open spaces. But I've always found the best stories come from shit shows in hairy places. The stories I have are burnt into my brain, and if I've got you guys to thank, I'll never be the same. Yeah!